I think my favorite ghost story from the tour has to be the scariest one, because I like a good scare, especially around Halloween time. And whereas most of our spirits on the haunted tour are pretty benevolent, or at least, innocuous, there's one at the Brownstone Cafe that seems to have a little bit of an attitude. It happened a number of years ago when the employee, is actually one of the owners who lives closest to the business, got that call. The call you never want to get. If you're the employee living closest to your place of business, you're going to be on the call-out list for the alarm company. And so he got the call. He was one of the cooks. And he went in to check on the building, got there, he got to the Brownstone Cafe, opened it up. Everything was closed, everything was fine, no activity here. So he got on the phone, the old landline, this was in the olden days. He got on the phone with the alarm company and said, I'm fine here, nobody's in the building, I'm gonna lock up and go home. And on the other end of the line, the alarm company said, are you sure you're there alone? And the cook said, why, yes, of course. Why? Because there's somebody moving through the building now. The motion detectors were going off throughout the Brownstone Cafe, and they could follow it from the command center at the alarm company. And they were able to say, well, there's something moving through the back hallway, something moving through the food service area. Oh, it's coming through the bathrooms. It's getting closer to the office where you are right now. And that just totally freaked the guy out. He ran for the front door, pushed the panic bar, I love that name, the panic bar. And then while he was doing that, he heard a loud crash, and the industrial strength pots and pans that take a lot of energy to move, they had been thrown from the shelf onto the floor in the kitchen. He definitely felt like something was out to get him, and to this day, we don't know what it was.